Hello guys, so we are going to do multiplication. We're going to use 3 multipliers, which means 1, 2, 3 numbers to multiply. Okay, so follow this technique and you will always be correct. This should take you about 3 minutes, okay, depending on how well you know your tables. Okay, so let's begin. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 4 is 16. Put down the 6 and carry the 1. Now look what I'm doing. I'm making sure it's in a straight line. Okay, so we always make sure it's in a straight line. Okay, now 4 times 3 is 12, plus the 1 is 13. Put down another 3 and carry the 1. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 1 is 9. Now, first rule is we add a 0 for the 2, okay? And then all we simply do is what we did before, except we use the 2. 2 times 1 is 2. Again in a straight line. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 3 is 6. And 2 times 2 is 4. Okay? Now, what we do is we add a 0 for the 2 and another 0 for the 1 that we are going to use now. Okay? So it's 1 times, so it's very easy to see that it's going to be 2, 3, 4, 1. But let's just do it anyway, okay? So 1 times 1 is 1, 1, 4 is 4, 1, 3 is 3, and 1, 2 is 2. Now, we use our second operation. The first operation was multiplying. The second operation is addition. Okay, so we're going to put our plus sign here. Okay, now if we look, our numbers should be like this so that we cannot make a mistake when we are adding. Okay, so 4 plus 2 zeros equals 4. 6 plus 2 is 8. 3 plus 8 is 11. Plus the 1 is 12. Put down the 2. Carry the 1. 9 plus 6 is 15. Plus 4 is 19. Plus 1 is 20. 0. We can carry our 2 to here. 4 plus 3 is 7, plus the 2 is 9. Okay? 2 does not have anything to add. Okay? That's our addition complete. Now we count from the right hand side. Okay? 1, 2, 3, comma. 1, 2, 3, no number, so no comma. Okay? So answer is 290,284. Okay? Now, that's the way you would write your answer, okay? Now, if we go to this side, we're going to use 4 multipliers. Now, it is the exact same technique, okay? But you're just doing more multiplications, okay? So we will do one more example, but we will use 4, okay? Okay. Now I hope you can still see me okay. So we're going to use 4, okay? So let's use 1, 2, 4, 3, okay? Now, 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 4 is 12, carry the 1, 3 times 3 is 9, plus the 1 is 10, carry 3 times 2 is 6, plus the 1 is 7. Okay, we check that. Okay, that is correct. Okay, now the rule, we must put down a 0. Okay, so we're putting down the 0 for the 4. Okay, so 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 4 is 16. Put down our 6 and carry the 1. Okay, 4 times 3 is 12, plus 1 is 13. Put down our 3, carry the 1. 4 times 2 is 8, plus the 1 is 9. Okay, now again, we put down our 0 for the 4. Now we're going to put down another 0 for the 2. Okay, and use our 2 to multiply. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 2 is 4. Now you see we're keeping it in a nice straight column so we do not get confused when we do our addition. Okay? So now back to, we put in a 0 for the 4, we put in a 0 for the 2, and we put in a 0 for the 1. Okay? Now it's 1 times 2, 3, 4, 1. Okay, so we know what we're going to write, but let's do it same as that one, okay? 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 3 is 3. And 1 times 2 is 2. Okay, now we're going to do the second operation, which is addition. So we put our plus mark here and we add. Okay, so 3 plus 3 is 6. Zeros, 6 ohms. Sorry, let me just do that so that we don't get confused. Sorry. Okay, so 3 plus 0 is 3. 2, 4, 6. 0, 6, 8. 7 plus 3 is 10. Plus 8 is 18, and 1 is 19. Put down our 9 and carry the 1. 9 and 6 is 15, plus 4 is 19, plus the 1 is 20. Put down our 0, carry the 2. 4 plus 3 is 7, plus 2 is 9, and 2. There's nothing to add, so we just write our 2. Again, we start from the right. Okay, 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3, comma. Okay, so we would write this as answer 2,909,863. Okay, now I'm going to give you some homework. Okay. It will be a Google form. I will give you 3 sums, okay? I will give you 1 sum with 3 multipliers and 2 sums with 2 multipliers. Now, make sure that you have a straight line. So that we don't get confused, which means we don't rush. We don't have to rush, it's not a race, okay? So make sure you keep it in column. Remember to add your 0, mark that you've added a 0. 2 zeros, mark it. 3 zeros, mark it. And that lets you know exactly where you are when you are doing your multiplication. Okay, for this clip, I think this is enough. As I said, I'm going to give you 3 sums to complete, okay? And I will collect, you will receive points for doing this, okay? So you must do it. It's not optional, you have to do this. Okay? If you don't understand, then maybe you can practice with and take a picture and send it online. Okay? But I think that you should understand, because it's just adding more zeros, yeah? Okay, that's all for now. And I'll see you next clip, okay? Bye for now. Okay, bye bye. Take care, wash your hands and listen to your parents. Bye.